How to turn off two-step authentication on your Google account just in front of me here on my screen. For turning off your two-step, you have to click on your Google account and just click on your account section on your Google Chrome, or you can go anywhere Google, Gmail and Chrome. You just have to click on your Google accounts. After that, on the left, you will see the fourth option called security. And whenever you will scroll to the down, you will see first option, two-step verification. Here you have to enter your password to verify that you're using your account. Then you can see it will show you an option to delete or turn off the two-step verification from your Google account. So whenever you will click on the turn off, it will be turned off till you again reactivate it. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more updates, technical videos and short technical updates like this. Keep watching, keep loving.